أعزائي طلبة شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضيات، أهلا بكم. اليوم إن شاء الله هناخد درس جديد في الجبر اسمه نظرية ذات الحدين. نظرية ذات الحدين نظرية مهمة جدا جدا. ليه؟ لأن احنا كنا بنلاقي صعوبة أما يكون في قوس أس 2 بتلاقي سهل إنك تحلها، أس 3 لكن أس 4 أس 5 أس 6 كانت من الصعوبة جدا إنك تحل قوس أس عدد أكبر من 3. فنظرية ذات الحدين حلت لنا المشكلات ديت. أتمنى أن نوفق في الدرس إن شاء الله. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking new lesson in algebra. It's called binomial theorem. Binomial theorem is very important theorem. Dear student, look at introduction about binomial theorem. The theorem, if we have bracket x plus y for all power n equals what? N c0 y power 0 x power n plus n c1 y power 1 x power n minus 1 plus n c2 y square x power n minus 2 and so on to n cn y power n x power 0. Dear student, if we have bracket contains two terms for all power n, at the first we find nc0, we use combination nc0, after that the second term power 0, the first term power subtract n minus 0 equals n. Solved problems. By using binomial theorem, expand x plus y for all power 2. Remember, dear student, in prep stage, we find x plus y for all power 2 as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. By using binomial theorem, we find x plus y power 2, also x plus y for all power 3. Solution. X plus y for all power 2 means 2c0 y power 0 x power 2 plus 2c1 y power 1 x power 1 by using binomial theorem. 2c2 y squared x power 0. X plus y power 2 means x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. X plus y power 3. What you mean of x plus y power 3? X plus y power 3, 3c0, 2 power 0, x power 3, plus 3c1, 2 power 1, x power 2, plus 3c2, 2 power 2, x power 1, plus 3c3, 2 power 3, x power 0. Remember, dear student, by using binomial theorem, we start from unit 3, it's power 3, c0. The second term 2 take power 0. The first term x take 3 minus 0 equal 3. And remember, 3c1, 2 second, 2 power 1, but x power difference between 3 and 1 is 2. Plus 3c2, 2 power 2, x power 1, plus 3c3, 2 power 3, x power 0. Calculate, then x plus 2 for all power 3 equals what? X power 3, 6x power 2, 12x plus 8. We can use other method directly if we have bracket contains 2 term power 3, the first power 3 x power 3, second power 3 2 power 3 8. Look at, we multiply 2 times 3 times x power 2 6x square. We multiply 2 power 2 4 times 3 12 times x equals 12x. By using binomial theorem, expand x minus 1 bracket contains x minus 1 for all power 5. Second, 2x minus 3 for all power 4. Look at the solution. X minus 1 for all power 5 means 5c0. Second term, negative 1 power 0. First term, x power 5. 5c1, negative 1 power 1, x power 4, plus 5c2, negative 1 power 2, x power 3, 5c3, negative 1 power 3, x power 2, plus 5c4, negative 1 power 4, x power 1, plus 5c5, negative 1 power 5, c power 0. Answer is x power 5, negative 5 x power 4, plus 10 x power 3, negative 10 x power 2, plus 5x, negative 1. Remember, dear student, number of terms which expand from x minus 1 for all power 5, x 6 terms. If the n equal 5, number of terms is 6 terms. We find or we expand fraction bracket contains. We expand bracket contains 2x minus 3 for all power 4 by using binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, the first 2x power 4, negative 4 c1, second term 3 power 1, first term 2x for all power 3. After that 4 c2 by adding, second term 3 power 2, first term 2x power 2, negative 4 c3, 3 power 3, 2x power 1, and so on. Answer is, when expand, is 16x power 4, negative 96x power 3, plus 216x power 2, negative 216x plus 81. Remember, dear student, the power of x is decrease for x power 4 in first term, x power 3 in second term, x power 2 in third term, x power 1 in fourth term, x power 0 in last term. Dear student, in this example, we use binomial theorem. Remember, if power is bracket power 5, then number of the term which we deduce from expand the bracket is 6 terms. If the number of bracket is 4, the number of the terms from expand the bracket is 5, or n plus 1. Remember, dear student, this theorem is very important to use expand of bracket of power n. Look at the following notes. Evaluate 1.02 for all power 10, approximated to 3 decimal number. Using binomial theorem, we have 1.02 for all power 10. 1.02 equals what? 1 plus 0.02. Look at the solution. Dear student, 1.02 for all power 10 equals what? This is decimal number. Equal all number 1 plus decimal number 0.02 for all power 10 by using binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, 1 power 10 is 1. Then 10C1, where is 10C0? 10C0 equals 1. Then the first term, 1 power 10 equals 1. Plus second term, 10C1. Second term, 0.02 for all power 1. And so on. 10C2, 0.02 for all power 2. Plus 10C3 times 0.02 for all power 3, and so on. Answer is 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.018 plus 0.00096, and so on. Answer is 1.21896. Approximation to 3 decimal. Number is 1.219. Evaluate 0.99 for all power 5. How to evaluate or calculate bracket 0.99 for all power 5 approximated to 4 decimal places. Look at the solution. Dear student, 0.99 for all power 5. What do you mean? Equals 1 minus 0.01 for all power 5. Remember, dear student, 0.99 is one term. We obtain bracket contains 2 terms to use excellent student. Binomial theorem. 1 minus 0.01 for all power 5. By using binomial theorem, 1 power 5 1, negative 5C1, multiply 0.01 for all power 1, 5C2 plus 5C2 multiply 0.01 power 2 and negative 5C3, 0.01 for all power 3, and so on. Answer is 1 minus 0.05 by using calculator plus 0.01 plus 0.0001. Answer is 0.95099. Approximation to 4 decimal number is 0.9510. Look at another example. In the expansion of bracket contains 3x squared plus 1 over x for all power 10, find T5 and T9. The first term, remember, we have bracket contains 3x squared plus 1 over x for all power 10. We find the value of the fifth term and ninth term by using binomial theorem. Number 1, T5 equals 10C4, second term power 4, first term by using subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. Remember, general term T5. T5 NC4. T5 means Tn plus 1. Tn plus 1 equals N is 10 C4, second bracket, second term in the bracket power 4, first term power subtract 10 minus 4 is 6. Calculate 10c5 by using x power negative 4, 3 power 6, x power 12. Look at, we have x power negative 4, x power 12, we add negative 4 plus 12, x power 8. And by using calculator, we evaluate 10c4 times 3 power 6. Then T5 equals 153,090 x power 8. This is value of T5. After that, we find 9th term in same expansion. 10c8, second bracket, second term power 8, first term power 2. By using 10c8, x power negative 8, 3 power 2, x power 4. Distribute power 2 about 3 and out x power 2. Then T9x equals 10c8 times 3 power 2 equals 405. Look at x power negative 8 times x power 4, x power negative 4. This value of 9th term in expansion. Another one, in the expansion of bracket contains 3x minus 2 over 3x power 15, find T7, the coefficient of T12, by using binomial theorem. T7 equals 15 C6, second term power 6, first term power 9. T7 becomes 15c6 negative 2 power 6, 3 power negative 6, x power negative 6, 3 power 9, x power 9. By using, when multiply x power negative 6 times x power 9, answer x power 3. And by using calculator to find the value of 15c6, negative 2 power 6, 3 power 6, negative 6, 3 power 9, answer is, this number is 8,648,640 x power 3, this value of 7th term. After that, we calculate T12 to know coefficient of T12. Look at, by the same method, we find T12 equals negative 1,278.24417 x power negative 7. Then coefficient of T12 is negative 1,278.24417. Look at another example. The student finds the coefficient of T6 in the expansion of bracket contains 3 over x minus y over 2 for all power 10. Solution. T6 equals 85. Second bracket, second term in the bracket for all power 5. The first term for all power 3. Why? Because T6, this is general term, TR plus 1 equal NCR, second bracket power R, first term power N minus R. T6 becomes 85, second term negative y over 2 for all power 5, first term 3 over x power 3, y 3 from 8 minus 5. T6 becomes negative 8 C5 y power 5 2 power negative 5 3 power 3 x power negative 3. Look at T6 becomes negative 189 over 4 y power 5 x power negative 3. The coefficient of T6 is negative 189 over 4. Coefficient of T6 is negative 189 over 4. Dear student, look at important rules. X plus y power n plus x minus y for all power n equals T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4, the first expansion. The second, T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4. If we add bracket contains x plus y for all power n with bracket contains x minus y for all power n. What is the rule? The first bracket is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 and so on. The second bracket equal T1 minus T2 plus T3 minus T4. Why? Because the sign is negative. But the first bracket, its sign is positive. When we add, look at T2 negative T2 equals 0. T4 plus T4 plus negative T4 is equals 0. Then we deduce that when we add x plus y power n plus x minus y for all power n equals to multiply the odd terms T1 plus T3 plus T5 and so on. Remember, dear student, this important rule. When we add bracket x plus y for all power n plus x minus y for all power n equals twice bracket contains the sum of odd terms T1 plus T3 plus T5 and so on. Look at another one. When we subtract x plus y for all power n minus x minus y inside bracket for all power n by using the same method T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus so on and so on minus T1 negative T2 plus T3 negative T4 and so on. When we add the first bracket plus second bracket, when subtract first and the second, we remove the odd terms. T1 minus T1 is removing. T3 negative T3 is removing and so on. Answer is 2 times what? 2 times, yes, even number equals 2 multiply T2 plus T4 plus T6 and so on. Expand. Bracket contains x plus root 2 for all power 4 plus x minus root 2 for all power 4. Dear student, from the previous theorem, we deduce the answer by using x plus root 2 power 4 plus x minus root 2 for all power 4 by using what? X and student. 2 times first term plus third term plus fifth term. Why fifth term? Because n is 4. What is the T1, T2, T3, T5? By using T1 is x power 4. T3 is 4C2, second term power 2, first term power 2. T5 root 2 power 4. then the answer is 2 multiply bracket contains x power 4, 12 is x power 2 plus 4. Another one, if we have x plus 2 inside bracket power 5 minus x minus 2 inside bracket power 5 equal 64. Find the value of x. Remember, dear student, by using the previous rule, we use it in left hand side. Look at the solution. X plus 2 for all power 5 minus x minus 2 for all power 5 equal 64. Look at left hand side by using the rule. N equal 5. This minus, subtract or addition, subtract. Subtraction, we use even terms, T2 plus T4 plus T6. Multiply 2 equals what? Equals 64. 64 equals 2 times 32. Divided by 2, left hand side and right hand side. Then T2 plus T4 plus T6 equals what? 32. Then 5C1 times 2 x power 4 plus 5cc 2 power 3 x power 2 plus 2 power 5 equals 32. Remember, 32 equals 2 power 5. Then 10 x power 4 plus 80 x power 2 plus 32 minus 32 equals 0. By simplify, left hand side, by using 10x power 2 equals 10x power 2, left hand side, multiply bracket contains x power 2 plus 8 equals 0. In example, x power 2 times 10 equals 0, therefore x equal 0. By using x power 2 plus 8 equals 0, if used, then x equals 0, but x power 2 negative 8 is refused answer. Then the value of x in this example, x equal 0. Look at the student in another example. If the fourth term equals 7 and the expansion of bracket contains 1 plus x for all power 8, find the value of x. Solution. T4 equals 7. What is the T4? 8C3 x power 3 1 power 7 equals 7. 1 power 5 equals 7. Look at T4 equals 7. What do you mean T4? Fourth term in the expansion equal 8 C3 x power 3 1 power 5. Remember, by using calculator, find 8C3 and by substitution 8C3 x power 3 equals 7. Therefore, 56 x power 3 equals 7, x power 3 equals 1 over 8. The value of x cubic root 1 over 8 equals 1 over 2. Dear student, by the end of the lesson, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Goodbye.